Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Professor Madya Dr. Nur Izan Syahira binti Hussein. I am Amir Haziq bin Abdul Rashid, Matrics M0522200016. I am presenting my presentation assignment for advanced manufacturing process. My presentation will be depending on the question given. The first question is, suggest the most suitable process to fabricate the metal products as we can see in the picture. So the answer will be laser cutting. To justify the selection, able to cut with high precision, complex corner, low cost, and mass production. To describe the working principle, an optical lens placed in laser beam to focus the beam by adjusting the required focal length. Focal point will melt the material and molten material is ejected using assisted cutting gas, and curve is produced. With CNC control, the laser beam or workpiece move to create for continuous cut. Next is to significant the process parameters that can be affect the laser cutting. Cutting speed affect the process because if the speed is too fast, the thickness of cutting is thinner, so the workpiece not being cut nicely. And if it is too slow, cutting quality is low. Laser cutting with high laser power may increase the heat affected zone, which is HAZ. This can cause distortion to the workpiece. Accuracy of cutting getting worse because the curve gap will increase and burr may produce. Last one is cutting gas with high pressure helps to remove molten material from curve and produce better quality of cutting. Low pressure will cause lower quality cutting with rough edges. Next is how I managed to get the higher which material with high depth of penetration. So as I calculate, stainless steel I managed to have 1029 watts of heat available for welding, and for low carbon steel I managed to get 405 watts. So as we can conclude here, stainless steel has the higher depth of penetration on stainless steel because the heat available for welding is higher compared to low carbon steel. Next is the stainless steel will be welded by using ND laser and enzyme lasers to justify which have the higher depth penetration. ND laser wavelength operate in the infrared at 1.064 micrometer. Absorption is low for stainless steel of ND laser. ND laser can produce short pulse with high precision control. Enzyme laser operates at ultraviolet range of wavelength at 100 nanometer. Absorption of enzyme laser to stainless steel is high. Enzyme laser produce very short pulse with high precision and control. So we can conclude that enzyme laser will have higher depth of penetration because the absorption of enzyme laser to stainless steel is high and the pulse is very short, so it can be continuously. Next, why water jet machining can be interesting in non-traditional manufacturing process in ceramic industry. Water jet machining can be interesting in ceramic industry because the process not using heat for cutting. Ceramics is brittle but it has low ductility. Heat may change the properties of the material and may lead to the fracture. Number two, cutting force is low, so it is compatible on cutting brittle or fragile materials like ceramic and glass. Last one is producing a ceramic material is caused by water jet machining process. It can counter the manufacturing cost because the maintenance fee and tool wear is nearly zero. That's all for me. Thank you.